Terry!
Nah, man. Nothing's wrong. You won, didn't you? Well, if you lost so easily, I'd be pretty disappointed. I know. I lost halfway through, so shoot me. Hey, what's the matter? A friend? Man, this sucks. I hate fighting with chicks. Huh? What are you talking about? You certainly look like one. I mean, I hate holding back. Chicks cry so easily. We'll see, won't we? I'm sorry. I hate beating chicks. You alright? See ya. It's okay. I really don't care. So this is the final stage? I hate being called that. Who are you? You can't be my opponent in the finals. QCL. What? Aw, man. This really sucks. Not again. Don't even mention his name. I am no Geese Howard. Shut up. I'll fight against my destiny and my name. I won't lose. Yeah, whatever. You must be joking. Is that all you've got? You. That's enough from you. What? No! What the hell is this? I don't even feel like I've won! That fool. How can you bring me down like this? Do I have to bear his burden for the rest of my life? Terry, hey man. I really do appreciate all the info, but... Well, you know your childhood was different from mine. A lot different. Let's go home, Terry. To Southtown. All right. I'll show you my rookie days are over. What gives, Terry? Are you really the legendary wolf? Geese, it's you! You don't even know. A fraction of my mother's grief. Kyokugen karate? I know someone else who uses that style. Ever on the prowl, I see. So, you wanna try? You're mine. And my mother's. I had a feeling someone was watching me. You gotta know, you're totally hot. Well then, care to introduce me to true Kyokugen karate? Prepare for my fury! Is that the best you can do? Later, loser. What gives, Terry? And you call yourself the champ? I'm gonna send you into space. I can't contain my blood rage. Look out! Who the hell are you? If I'm gonna fight, I won't hold back. No breaks for you, Terry. That's it? My blood boils. This should do it. Nice try. Hands off. You're so slow. How pathetic. There's plenty more of that. Slipstream punch. Double slipstream punch. Rising tackle. Yeah. Dunk. That's it. Raging storm. Eat this. Ooh yeah. Deadly rave. See ya. Cha. Upper. Heel raging storm.